Ever feel like your emotions are on a roller coaster you can't control? One minute, you're on top of the world. The next, you're spiraling because of a tiny setback. What if I told you there's an ancient philosophy, over 2,000 years old, that holds the key to emotional mastery? It's called Stoicism, and it is not about suppressing your feelings, it is about understanding them and not letting them rule your life. Imagine your mind is like a calm, clear lake. External events, a rude comment, a traffic jam, a project gone wrong are like stones thrown into it. They create ripples, right? Anger, frustration, anxiety. Stoicism teaches us that we can't always stop the stones from being thrown, but we can choose how big the ripples get. The secret lies in a simple but powerful idea. The dichotomy of control. This concept, central to Stoic thought, splits everything in life into two categories: things you can control and things you can't. What can you control? Your thoughts, your judgments, your actions, your responses. That's it. What can't you control? Pretty much everything else. What other people think, the weather, the economy, your past. So, how does this help? When you feel a negative emotion rising, pause and ask yourself, is this caused by something I can control or something I can't? If someone cuts you off in traffic, you can't control their driving, but you can control your reaction. You can choose not to honk, not to get angry, and not to let it ruin your day. By focusing your energy solely on what's within your power, you stop wasting it on things you can't change. Let's try a practical exercise right now. Think about something that's been bothering you lately. Maybe it's a worry about the future or a regret from the past. Now, apply the dichotomy of control. Break it down. What parts of this situation are completely outside your control? Acknowledge them, and then mentally let them go. It's like dropping a heavy bag you've been carrying for no reason. Now, what parts are within your control? Your perspective on the situation. The small, actionable steps you can take right now. Focus all your attention there. This shift isn't about pretending the problem doesn't exist. It's about empowering yourself to act where it matters, instead of being paralyzed by what you can't influence. Another powerful Stoic technique is called premeditatio malorum, or the premeditation of evils. This sounds grim, but it's actually incredibly liberating. It involves taking a few moments each day to imagine things going wrong. Your car might not start. A presentation could flop. You might lose something important. By mentally preparing for these scenarios, you're not inviting them to happen. You're simply rehearsing your response. So if they do occur, they lose their power to shock and overwhelm you. You've already thought it through. You've already decided how you'll handle it with calm and reason. It's like an emotional fire drill. Stoicism isn't a quick fix. It's a daily practice. It's about building mental resilience, one conscious choice at a time. It's about training your mind to find peace and stability, no matter what stones are thrown into your lake. Start small. The next time you feel a surge of frustration or anxiety, just pause. Ask yourself that one question. Is this within my control? That simple question is the first step on the path to becoming the calm, resilient, and unshakable person you want to be. If you found this helpful and want to explore more ancient wisdom for modern problems, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.